Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can get your music online on every different site, Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, for free and start earning money from your music. Now, essentially, I've made lots of songs recently and people have been asking me how have I got them out there for free as somebody who hasn't really been involved in music before. And the simple answer is, after doing some research, I discovered that one of the free distribution platforms is right here called Fresh Tunes. Now you can see it says exactly what it is. Get them online for free. How does it work? There's all this clarification. So what you want to do, type in Fresh Tunes, click on it and follow the sign up process. Now I'm not affiliated with these guys, it's just been what's working for me. And then you can see that on my screen right now are all of the tracks I've uploaded, how much money I've currently earned, and you can see that my money is only 60 cents. But essentially that's from 1 month, which isn't too bad considering I'm not a big time artist. So what you want to do is you want to sign up to Fresh Tunes, then simply input, all the credentials, and it'll bring you up and open you up an account, and then you press new album whenever you want to, start a new track. It'll say you hereby confirm. Once you choose the file, it will say fill in all of these credentials. So obviously you have to make a square Photoshop image for your channel, for your song art cover. Now I've got a Skillshare Photoshop class linked below if you need help on Photoshop. So once you make that in the square resolution, it has to include the title of your song and the artist name, so Drive Down and Dylan, let's say. Then when you're making an album, you can just put any title. If you're making a single, have to put at the start of the title single and then the name of the single, just a weird admin thing. And you basically fill in all of the details, then eventually go down, press complete. Once you've pressed complete, it sends it off to all of the stores. So it really is a very simple process. And you might be wondering, once the music comes up, is that how I get an artist page? Yes. So once you basically submit your music, it'll go on Spotify, then you'll be able to tap on your artist name and it'll pop up with a page for that artist, which is you. Now, a problem you might run into, you can see that my artist name is Dylan. When I first started uploading music, my music got put under a different artist called Dylan because quite a few artists are called Dylan. So I just had to email Spotify and went on their page and said, my music's been mixed up with another artist. Can you help? They helped. Boom, done. Then they have statistics on how you can see how your songs are doing, and you can also see in what stores they're doing well in. So it really is a very easy site, beginner friendly in my opinion, and great for when you're a small artist who's just starting out to get your music out there and start promoting it. And yeah, that is literally how you get your music on Spotify in 2021. Fresh Tunes, I'd say, follow the process, done.